Hello everyone, welcome back to EcoPlants. Today video is going to very special because we are going to talk about one of the oldest and most loved fruit in the world, the pear. Pear are sweet, juicy and refreshing. They are packed with fiber, vitamin C. Did you know that the pear has been grown for every 13,000 years in Asia and Europe? Even ancient Roman enjoy pear as delicacy. In this video, I am going to teach you everything you need to know about growing pear in your garden, from choosing the right variety, planting, caring, pruning, preventing disease, and finally harvesting delicious fruit. So grab a notebook if you want to take notes, because by the end of this video, you will be ready to grow your own pear tree successfully. Before we start planting, it is most important to understand the pear tree. Pear belong to the same family as apple. They are temperate fruit tree, which means they require cold winter and mild summer. Most pear tree live for 50 to 75 years, and some can even live more than a century. There are two main type of pears: European pears and Asian pears. In ancient China, the pear was a symbol of uh, immortality because the tree can live so long. Choosing the correct pear variety is first and most important step. Some varieties cannot produce more fruit. They need a partner tree for cross pollination. Self pollinating variety like Bartlett can grow fruit alone, but heavier yield, it is always better to plant at least two different varieties. Some good pear are Bartlett with Bosc. Always buy certified disease-free sapling from a trusted nursery. Cheap plant might look fine at first, but often carry hidden disease. Pear grow best in areas with chilly winter and mild summer. They need around 6 to 1500 chill hours below 7 degrees Celsius temperature to produce flower and fruits. Soil condition: well drainage soil is a must. Pear hate waterlogging. Soil pH should be slightly acidity to natural between 6 to 7. Sandy loamy and loamy soil is ideal. Before planting, always prepare the soil by digging deeply and mixing compost or aged manure. This give your tree a healthy start. The best season for planting is late winter to early spring when the tree is dormant. Step first is dig a hole about 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep. Place the young pear tree upright, keeping the graft union about the soil line. Find the hole, bake with soil and fresh gently. Water deeply after planting. Add thick layer of mulch around the tree base, but keep a small gap near the trunk. Spacing is very important. Standard pear tree 15 to 20 feet apart. Dwarf tree 8 to 10 feet apart. Pro tip: if you live in a widely area, tie the young tree to a wooden stake for support. During the first year, water your tree regularly so root stabilize well. Deep watering is better than frequently shallow watering. After stabilization, water once per week in dry condition. Stop watering in winter when the tree is dormant. In early spring, apply a balanced fertilizer like 10-10-10. In summer, you can add compost tea or liquid organic fertilizer. Avoid over fertilizing with nitrogen. You will be get too much leafy growth and favor fruit. Every year renew the mulch layer with compost leaf. This not only feeds the soil but also save water. Pruning keep the tree healthy, strong and productive. In first year, train your tree to have a central leader system. One main trunk with well spaced side branches. Every winter prune away dead, disease or weak branches. Remove any branches growing straight up or rubbing against each other. thin the canopy so sunlight can reach inside. Did you know pear produce fruit on short spur that can live for 10 years or more? So when pruning, be carefully not to cut too many spurs. Like all fruit tree, pear face some challenge. Fire blight, a bacterial disease that make branches look they are burnt. Cut infected branches 8 to 10 inch below the damage. Pear escape cause dark spot on leaf and fruit. Use resistant variety if possible. Codling moth, small caterpillar that tunnel into fruit. Use pheromone trap or organic spray. Aphid and mites, teeny insect sucking sap. Spray neem oil. Healthy tree are naturally resistant, so always provide good airflow, sunlight, and proper care. Pear usually bloom in spring with beautiful white flower. Bees are the main pollinators, so avoid spraying chemical during flowering. If too many fruit set, thin them out. Leave only 1 to 2 fruits per cluster. Space pear about 6 inches apart on branches. This ensure bigger, sweeter pear instead of many small ones. Here the most interesting part, harvesting. Unlike apple, pear are harvesting when they are mature but not fully ripe. Sign of maturity. First is the fruit change color slightly. The stem separate easily when lifted gently. The seed inside turn brown. And after harvest, let's pear ripe at room temperature for 5 to 7 days. You can store them in refrigerator for weeks, and some varieties like Bosc can last even longer. To speed up ripening, place pear in a paper bag with an apple or bananas. Pear tree start giving fruits after 3 to 5 years, depending on the variety. A healthy tree can produce 50 to 150 pound of pear per year. Pear wood is so strong and smooth that it is often used for making furniture and musical instruments. If you have limited space, try growing dwarf pear in container. Just make sure to choose a big pot and prune regularly. So that's your complete step-by-step guide on how to grow pear at home from planting to harvesting. Pear are not very difficult if you follow the right step. Now it's turn to grow a pear tree and enjoy fresh home ground fruit with your family. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.